me the responsibility to welcome all of His Majesty's guests to Zululand, the home of our King and the heart of the Zulu Kingdom. We are all welcome indeed. I know that you will sense in this place a rich history and heritage which speaks of 200 years of our nation's existence. We are honored as we seek up this history to bask in the wisdom of His Majesty our King, who through his visionary leadership and deep love of his people sought a way to give to the future generations the gift of rich tradition. Through this tradition, young maidens are prepared to take their place as the backbone of our society. This tradition of rich dance does not begin here with songs and dancing. It begins in the Zulu households where a girl child is born. She is raised in a tradition that teaches her how to take charge of her life and to take care of herself. By this time and this day, our young maidens have already received a lifetime training and have secured their identity, their intrinsic value and self-respect. This dance ceremony is an opportunity to express their pride in the cultural heritage that has given them these gifts. It is also a way of pressing hope for the future. If we are indeed serious about our future, we need to protect and conquer the enemies that threaten to destroy it. Among these, the greatest is HIV and AIDS. By reinstituting virginity testing, His Majesty the King has placed the emphasis back on abstinence before marriage, which is the only guaranteed way to prevent HIV/AIDS. This may not be a popular message, but this is truth. And speaking the truth is the only way to save lives. I therefore challenge all those demagogues who like to run to the media with allegations of gender discrimination to come to the red dance ceremony and witness the pride of thousands of our young women who present their rite today. Take a closer look at our culture. Open yourselves to the possibility that what we are doing today is in the best interest of our people's health, longevity, dignity, and well-being. For these are the goals we pursue when we celebrate traditions like the red dance ceremony. Our young maidens grow up to be fine ladies of whom we are rightly proud. That does not happen by chance. It happens because our traditions teaches us to invest in the life of our young woman. I challenge also the government to invest in the projects of His Majesty the King, for these projects are designed to serve, develop, and uplift our people. What better way to ensure good governance than to do so hand in hand with traditional leaders and His Majesty our King? It is well understood, Provost Director, that His Majesty the King is the center of tourism in this province and this district in particular. Cultural events, therefore, like the red dance ceremony, generate revenue and brings economic benefit to people of Zululand. We do not take this for granted because it attracts tourists to our district, which brings it with the opportunity to showcase what Zululand district can offer. We are proud of this heritage, we are proud of our tradition, and today we take pride in the beautiful young maidens of Zulu Nation. May their future be built on this solid foundation. You are all welcome.